So I thought I'd video this. I 3D printed this landing pad or takeoff pad for my drone, and I put a screw in the back and a support ring, and the idea was that if I'm on the beach and if it's really, hang on a minute, I've got this thing in my mouth. I'll have to just bear with it. So what I can do is I can take this oh, I'm taking it the wrong way now. If I undo this on my stand, am I going the right way? I think so. Take that off, right, which is for the camera, and I can put my, push that up. Hang on a minute. Trying to push the screw up. So frigging light. I'm trying to push that up. I'll just turn it a bit. Right. So the screw sticks out. Here. Put my thing on. Like that. Turn it. I think it's screwing on. Maybe not. Oh yes it is. It's just that it's turning around underneath. So if I hold it a minute, hang on. Hang on a minute. Right. So I had to turn it underneath because it was loose. Now, if I take my stand with me, and if we go down to the beach, instead of getting sand in the props, this is cockeyed at the moment, which has to be tilted, so I can tilt it. Oh shit! Don't want to break it, right? And I can put my quadcopter on top. Let's get it. So, and then I have a platform. Oh, I've got both of them. I hate that. Oh, you got to get the zip and you pull both of them around and it's still closed. Right, so if I get my quadcopter, open it up. I've got new props on that. I'm waiting for the new set to come in as well, but I can't do this with it's hard to do this with one hand. So now it would sit on there like that. So instead of getting sand in the motors, I could take that down with me on the beach. I could do a hand takeoff. You know, some people do that, but it's difficult if you're on your own or and you want to be in control of the joystick. So basically, yeah, you just put it so it's level, and I've got a platform. My camera stand is a platform to take off from. So getting stand or anything in it. Obviously landing on that would be very hard. I would like to try it sometime, but I'll explain the theory normally, I'll take this damn thing out of my mouth because it's making me muffled. So I'm trying to cut down on cigarettes, you see, so nicotine pouch things. So the idea is that normally when you try to land on a platform or on the ground, you have a backdraft. As you come down, it creates a cushion of air, and the quadcopter goes down and it takes off again, and it throws it off course, right? It's like stepping on a football, right? If you put your foot on a football, you roll off it, you know, you kind of roll off it. Well, this is the same effect you get with the air cushion below the quadcopter, but because this is a small platform, right, the props, if you look straight down, most of the air is going straight past the platform. So we only have a small area where the cushion of air can take place. So my idea is to test this out at some point to see how easy it is to land on this platform without coming down like this, then going and shooting off, because that's what normally happens when you try to land on a small area. You come down, you hit the cushion of air, you bounce, and you fly off. Now, my idea is that because of this being a small platform to land on, it's going to be tricky. It's going to be very hard to get it to centre. It's going to be flying around like this. It's going to be all over the place, and it's going to be really tricky to land on it. But once you get to the point where you're over it, you can just kill the motors and plop, it'll just land on it. So yeah, that's the idea anyway. Just tell me what you think of my theory. So yeah, just an idea. Bye for now.